everyone, this is Todd with TradeNick.com. Welcome to our daily commentary on the Forex market, and it is actually Sunday, November 4th at about 9:46 p.m. Eastern Time. Taking a look at what's going to be happening, well, kind of what's happening in the early market right now, in the early session in Asia now, and then we're going to take a look at what's coming up for the week. And as you can see right now on Friday, the 2nd of November, looking at the Euro US dollar right now, Euro fell, as did most currency pairs against the dollar on Friday, as we talked about in our last commentary. And you can see that price gap down a little bit today on the Euro in early Asian session trading, so kind of gap down, but it's pushing back up. Fell below this support line at about 128.25 here, so really looking for price to either continue to rotate down. You know, since about the middle of October, we've been in a downward momentum, downward trend with euro dollar, although overall the pair has been ranging here. But we're breaking down below this key support level zone around 128.30, and price doesn't look to be very vigorously going up or down at this point. Again, it's still pretty early. But this week we're looking for the price here, the dollar. Not sure what's going to happen, of course, but looking to see if this goes down, rotates into this support zone. And then we're looking for the market to show us its cards. We're looking for some price action signals. I personally am trading long tail pin bars right now at key support and resistance levels in the market. And since this pair has been ranging, not sure really, we're looking for a price action signal somewhere short here to tell us to go short, or bounce back into this range. And for price on the euro dollar to really go higher, it has to break up above this 131.20 level to 131, or 132, really, to get right around 131.60 actually, to really go show any momentum higher into this continued uptrend that we had since August. So that's kind of what we're looking at in euro right now. Trades at the moment. Pound dollar. Pound fell against the dollar again on Friday. Hasn't broken down below the support level here at 159.80. Have some key short-term, not key, but really short-term resistance that formed with a pin bar back down, reversal back down on November 1st, and right around 161.80, and that's in that area. So price again right now in the early sessions really not showing a whole lot of conviction. It's right around that 160.20 area, going up a little bit. But again, just like with the euro price action trading, I'm looking for this to come down to these key support levels or go back up to the resistance level, either short term or better, and the long term resistance level right here around 162. 163 area, and then show me its cards there. But right now, no trades on the pound dollar. Aussie dollar, let's see here. Aussie, again, looking at key support right around 101.70 in that area, and resistance that's still looking at 104.10. The Aussie fell against the dollar on Friday pretty hard, but hit this short-term support level. I'd say this could even be looked at as a key support level going back. You can see price is respecting the market, that line right there pretty much. So 103.27 area, 103.25. So it's bouncing back up, but again, I'm looking for price action at these key levels around 104.10. To either show me it wants to go higher or down into this this range here, or below the 101.70 level. So really nothing right now on Aussie dollar yet. Kiwi dollar, not really a whole lot here. Again, key support and resistance at 83.20 in that zone, 83.50, but no price action signals right now. Just waiting for price to get a little higher. And pardon me, dollar yen. Dollar's pushing up here. It gained against the yen 3 days in a row here. Broke up above the 80.30 level. It's touching 80.50, which is a very key resistance level here. So pushing up. It hasn't broken above it yet, but so we're going to watch that closely for some price action signals right there. But nothing on the euro, on the dollar yen yet. Euro yen. Taking a look at this, we're still in trade. It's a little down right now, but we took this trade off of the pin bar, and this has been trending. It started to sort of fall out, but it still, was in a trend, and my signal was a long tail pin bar right here at confluence with key support around 102.81, and confluence with the 21 EMA. So I went ahead and took that trade as a signal, and we're still in it. Retraced a little bit, but we'll have to just kind of watch. It's starting to go back up here. Very well could get stopped out of this trade, and fully prepared for that before I even went into it as usual. But it was my signal. That's my edge. I'm trading it. So, but really, euro yen right now, it's a little up on the day so far, but nothing really. We're in that trade. Going to watch that. Pound yen had a pin bar here too on October 30th. We talked about that. I didn't take that trade because price had already broken. It was way up here, and I had an entry order in, but I would have been short the yen on 2 trades, so I didn't take that. But that's definitely a very valid pin bar signal. Right now, Friday pound fell against the yen, and it looks like it's starting to pop up again a little bit. We're still looking at trades around the 129.53 or down to 127.66 area, and then we'll see where it goes from there. But this pair has been trending kind of choppy. It sort of went sideways here, started down again, but started back up, and so I'm still calling this an uptrend, and we'll see if it strengthens. If it goes above the 129.50 area, then we're definitely in, continuing in the trend of stronger pound against the yen. And then finally, Aussie yen. We had this pin bar on Friday at key resistance at 83.50 in that area, and that is key. You can see going back here on the chart, got to go back to right around August and then back to May before we see price in this area. So that's definitely key resistance. See this long pin bar here going back down. Now the only thing I'm concerned about here is price hasn't broken down. This is a valid pin bar back into this range, but price has not broken down below the low on Friday at 83.047, and it's actually going up and testing this high 83.50 area again. So I'm watching this. We're going to watch this closely, and I am going to be in this trade short. I might even put an entry order in here. I'm going to calculate it out, but I'll let you guys know what I do tomorrow. But if that breaks down below here, I'm willing to, it made a new high, and this could very well continue up. I don't know, but this that's still my signal to go short this pair. And if I'm going to see what happens tomorrow. Maybe put an entry order in right above the break of the nose of that candle around 83.04, or actually I'll probably make that 83 even or very close to that to go short Aussie yen. I'm going to see how that looks though. Check my rules, my trading rules, to make sure I'm going to take that. Overall, though, the dollar FXCM dollar index here looks like, again, dollar's pushing up. It had a huge rally on Friday, and now it sort of gapped a little bit here in early trading, but we're pushing up against the 99.86 resistance zone, and we're going to see what happens here. But overall, dollar started a little strong, and then now it's falling a little bit in early trading on Monday and in the Asian session. So anyway, we'll kind of watch this closely. Look at that. We see euro forming a bearish pin bar down here. That's a strong body pin bar so far. So you know, very interesting. I'm going to watch this one. It's a short tail, but that's very interesting. So we're going to watch and see how that plays. Might be end up going short the euro here today. Look at that. I don't know. We're going to watch wait and see what happens tomorrow. So overall, looks like dollar is weakening a little bit today, and here and there, I don't know. It's kind of mixed so far. At any rate, we'll kind of keep an eye on the charts and keep you updated in tomorrow's commentary. In the meantime, thanks for joining today, and we'll see you next time here at TradingNet.com.